Alright guys, we're back in the garage with the Shelby and we're just doing a really simple mod right now. My brother and I just washed the car and we're just going to add the white stickers. If you've seen these, you've probably seen those before. So got them from Amazon and they gave us 2 pair of the stickers. Yeah, $10. Like my wife said. So nice little deal. So I'll show you guys a little before and after. It's not great angle, I guess, whatever, but we'll show you guys before and after. This is how it looks. It's a little cold, so we just use the heat gun to warm it up a little bit. We don't want the plastic to melt, obviously, but yeah, I'll show you before and after. A little in progress video. I think it looks a lot better already, but yeah, we have the SBY on there right now, the SPY. Yeah, I think it's starting to look a lot better.
Don't mess it up. Finishing the last one. Kiss my booty. Oh, that's probably a bad idea with him holding it. Also, look at the beauty right here.
I know you showed your card. Alright guys, this is the after with the Shelby stickers. We only used one.
Saw another pair for $5.
No, we're not. So, yeah, this is how it looks. I mean, we can use the other one in case any of this falls off or whatever too. It's not perfect. The E, you can see some gap. I mean, we can't do much about that. And then the Y too, just how either the stickers or how Ford made it. But I think it looks a lot better. It looks nice, and let them know it's a Shelby. Thanks for watching, guys. Quick little one.